People are rubbing garlic on their nails, mixing it with their nail polish, even adding that into their nail oils, thinking that it will help their nails grow faster. Does garlic really help in growing your nails? We'll find out. So sit back, grab a snack, and let's get started. In my previous videos, we talked about how nails grow and what actually affects them. Today, we're going to be breaking down the most viral DIY nail trend, garlic for nail growth. I have my trusty notes here. Oops, sorry. I have my trusty notes here ready. I'll explain this to you in 5 simple points, and let's begin with point number 1. Why this trend even exists. I have seen so many videos where people are directly rubbing garlic on their nails, especially around the free edge, chopping garlic and mixing it with clear polish, adding it into their nail growth oil, even combining garlic, lemon, and olive oil for soaks. And somehow this is supposed to grow your nails. I mean, at least what they believe in, or what they are actually telling in their videos. Which brings us to our second point, what garlic actually does. Okay, now garlic does have some properties. It is antimicrobial, it has sulfur compounds, it can help with bacteria and some minor infections. So, garlic is biologically active, but this has nothing to do with nail growth. Moving on to point number 3, why garlic doesn't help in nail growth. Your nail plate is keratin, dead keratin, and your nails, they don't grow from the tip, which is the free edge, they grow from nail matrix, which is under the skin. So when you rub garlic on your nails, it is not reaching the matrix, it is not stimulating growth, it's basically doing nothing for nail growth, especially when it's applied around the free edge, which is literally the oldest dead part of your nail. So it is not even reaching when people are applying it on the free edge and claiming that it's gonna help in nail growth. Now, this brings us to our point number 4, why people think it works. People literally swear by it, but why? It's very simple. When you start following a routine, or as simple as a workout, you become more attentive. You suddenly start paying more attention. You stop damaging your nails because you don't want to harm the progress, right? You might even start oiling your nails now. That right there is extra effort. You will surely get better results. You were not attentive earlier, but now you are. And as you get better results, and garlic gets the credit. But point number 5 is crucial to understand. Real problem with garlic. Garlic can literally irritate your skin, it can cause allergic reactions, and in some cases, it can even cause chemical burns. That's serious. And let's be honest, chopping garlic and putting it into your nail polish and nail oil and applying that daily, that's just making your hands smell bad. And if you still think garlic will help, you better eat that. If you genuinely want to grow your natural nails, you first need to understand your nails. You need to understand your nail growth. You need to understand what actually affects nail growth and not some random DIY trends. Check out my videos on nail anatomy and cuticle. I will link them down in the description box below, and that will help you understand and begin your nail growth journey. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you did, then do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. Comment below letting me know if you have ever tried garlic for nail growth. Don't forget to subscribe to Nailpex and hit the bell icon next to it to never miss an update, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.